Capital 95.8.
Disneyland Paris, bonjour.
Hello, bonjour. I'm calling for a job, Hot Lips.
Excuse me?
I'm looking for a job. Can you put me through to somebody?
Yes, of course. On the line, please.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Disneyland Paris casting, Natasha, bonjour.
Is that you, Rubber Lips?
Sorry?
Hello, is that you?
Yes?
Yes, I've been put through. I'm looking for a job. I'm hoping to come over soon, get some work.
Okay,
So,
well...
what can you offer me, Chief?
where are you calling from?
Well, I'm calling from England. MICKEYMOUSE.
Okay, I will give you another phone number if you want more information.
Well, can't you give me a bit of information, my lovely, my sweet? Because I'm hoping to come over next month to the lovely Paris and get a job at Disneyland. Because a lot of people say I look like Aladdin.
No, I don't speak English very well.
Don't you know who Aladdin is and you work for Disney?
I don't know.
Do you know I've seen The Lion King 37 times?
37 times.
37 times. And I always cry at that bit, you know, where the father dies.
Okay, could you just hold the line?
Oh, are you going to be long?
No,
Oh,
not very long.
Be as quick as you can then, if you can,
thank
my
you very
sweet.
much. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Oh, I hope you can. Yes, I'm just calling for a job. I'm hoping that you can fix me up for the summer.
Okay, and when would you be able to start?
Oh, I can start as soon as you like, my lovely. I'll entertain the kiddies.
Okay.
Yes.
And, do you speak any French?
Not really. But I won't need to, will I? Because I'm in one of those costumes.
Well, it depends. I mean, what the type of job you're looking for is to be a character, is it? Is this a character?
I'm flying in, hopefully middle of next week, so if you could pick me up from the airport, that'll be great.
So if you're flying in next week, what you should do is you will call a number. I'm going to give you a number that you call when you get to Paris.
Right, and I'll come...
And you will have an interview on the telephone, first of all.
Oh, great, and I'll come straight over and see you.
No, sorry about that. You call us first.
Right, could you tell me, why do the French always push in queues?
Why do the French always push in queues?
Yes.
How do you know they always
Well, because I came over the other week. Half term it was, and they were all pushing it. It was terrible, it was. I tried to get on the Pirates of the Caribbean. They were pushing in left, right and centre, they were. But listen, once I get a job over there, there'll be none of that nonsense.
Why? What will you do about it?
Well, you better put in all the English to the front, obviously.
Sorry?
I said I'll be letting all the English into the front.
You'll be letting the English into the front?
Well, of
How
course.
would you let the English into the front?
Well, I'll be saying, are you French? And if they say, yeah, I'll say, right, to the back then.
And you think it'll work?
Of course. Of course it will. Because it'll keep the English happy, won't it?
Well, it might not keep the French happy.
Well, who cares?
We can't employ someone that just wants to keep their own race happy. We need someone that's going to keep everybody happy.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, right. It seems a bit strange to me.
No,
Right,
does it seem strange?
well, it does really, yes.
Yeah, how come? How come?
Well, it just does.
Why, do you think that if you're English and you come to work in Disney, that you just take care of the English?
Well, of course. Right, so when would you like me to start then, my beautiful?
Okay, what I'll do is I'll take your name.
Right.
Okay, just hold on a second, I'm going to get a paper.
Right, very good.
I've got the paper.
Right, you ready?
I'm ready. I'm listening.
Oh, right, it's Phil.
Phil, yeah?
My Pockets.
Phil?
My Pockets is my second name.
Capital
London! It's your boy Akon. Betty, right? Yeah, this is Missy Elliott. James Ross. Lily Allen. What's the phone?
Capital 95.8.